Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to explore one of nature's most fascinating superpowers, echolocation in Microchiropteran bats. Imagine flying through total darkness, waving between trees, avoiding every branch and still catching tiny insects in mid-air, all without using your eyes. Sounds like magic. Well, for these bats, its everyday life. We will uncover how their built-in radar system works, the science behind their ultrasonic calls, and the special body adaptations that make them masters of the night sky. Get ready to see with your ears as we dive into the amazing world of bat echolocation. Imagine flying full speed through a pitch black cave, twisting and turning without bumping into a single rock, and catching tiny insects mid-air without missing. Sounds impossible, right? For bats, this is just another night at work, for all thanks to their incredible natural radar system called echolocation. Bats can be fruit lovers, Megachiroptera, or insect hunter, Microchiroptera, but many of them share one amazing skill. Instead of relying mainly on their eyes, they see with their ears also. The image showing the basic two types of bats, Microchiropteran and Megachiropteran. Now we will explore the echolocation property in Microchiropteran bats, which are small in size, feeds on insects, large ears relative to their body to catch the sound, to catch the echo, and they uses echolocation on find food. How echolocation works. Here the step-by-step magical process. Sound launch. While flying, a bat sends out ultrasonic waves, the way beyond that humans can hear. Echo return. The waves bounce off objects in their path, the image showing that. Super sensitive ears. The returning echoes are caught by the bat's ear. And fourth is the brain map. The bat's brain decodes the echoes like a 3D map, telling it what is out there, how far, how big, and even whether it's moving or not. So quick numbers to blow your mind. Humans can hear 20 to 20,000 hertz, that is their hearing range. In case of dogs it's up to 40,000 hertz, but in case of bats it's up to 1,50,000 hertz. Many insect eating bats shoot out pulses at 1 lakh cycles per second when chasing the prey. A peek in history, the mystery of how bats navigate without sight puzzled scientists for centuries, such as Lazarus Plangeni, who blindfolded bats, let them fly, and they still avoided obstacles and ate well. Sight clearly was not the key. Breakthrough in 1940s, Dr. Griffin and R. Galambus and D. and S. Digigraph proved that bats use ultrasonic echolocation for hunting and navigation. Special bat upgrades for echolocation. Bats are built for sound like large inferior colliculi, which have the sound processing powerhouses, large cerebellum, sharp flight coordination, small cerebral hemisphere and reduced male areas. They are hearing specialist. Eyes which are moderately large and best for twilight. Retina, they are rod dominated for dim light. Large larynx with ossified cartilage, powerful ultrasonic calls. Horseshoe bats or rhinolopus, they have special nose leaf and resonating chambers to direct sound beams. When bats echolocate, they don't all use the same sound design. Different species have evolved different types of sound pulses, like choosing different tools for different jobs. The first one is the constant constant frequency CF pulses. What is it? A single unchanging pitch that lasts longer, about 40 to 1000 millisecond. How it's made? Emitted through their nostril. Who uses it? Mainly horseshoe bats or rhinolophidae. Its analogy, imagine holding down one note on a flute without changing it. That's CF or CF or constant frequency sound. Why it is useful? It is great for detecting moving prey because Doppler shifts. Pitch changes caused by movement and easier to detect in steady tone. Second one is the frequency modulated. A pitch that sweeps down rapidly from high to low, lasting only 1 to 5 milliseconds. How it's made? It is emitted through the mouth. Who uses it? Vesper bat and many others can uses it. Analogy like a bird chirp that slide from a high note to a low note. Why useful? The changing frequency gives a snapshot of the environment, helping detect fine details and distances, perfect for navigating clustered spaces like forest. Third one is the combined CFEM, CFFM. It starts as a constant tone, then ends with a downgrade sweep or frequency modulated, often contains harmonics, means multiple layered frequencies. Who uses it? Some specialized bird can uses it. uh, Life playing one long note on a flute and then sliding down the scale at the end. It is the analogy. So what birds can see with sound? So it is the combined CFFM is useful because it combines the strength of constant frequency where movement detection and frequency modulated detail and range, making a versatile hunting tool. What bats can see with sound? From echoes, bats can detect distance, time delay of the echo, size, echo strength, texture হচ্ছে frequency details, movement Doppler shift, that is pitch changes, and even the wing beat pattern of an insect. The Doppler shift master's bat, that is Pteronotus parnelli, flying towards a small object, echo pitch slightly higher, flying toward a moving insect, tiny oscillations from wing beats. Their cochlea is turned to detect these microscopic changes. The bat's precision hearing machine, when sound travels, it moves into eardrum, then it moves into the middle ear, then cochlea, then auditory nerve, and ultimately into the brain. The cochlea's bacillary membrane is lined with hair cells tuned to exact frequencies. Ear shapes vary in case of small eared bats, where fast flyers, loud callers, and large eared bats, they are slow stealth hunters, even picking prey off the ground. Echolocation is not a biological sonar that lets bat navigate in a complete darkness, snatch insects from mid-air, adapt hunting style to their environment. From Splangenis blindfolded bats to Griffin's ultrasonic proof, the journey of discovery shows one truth in the bat world: ears are the eyes of the night. And that's it, my dear students. Now you can know how Microchiropteran bats turned the silent night into a world full of sound using their amazing echolocation skills to navigate, hunt, and survive. From steady constant frequency calls to rapid frequency modulated sweeps, if each pulls in a masterpiece of nature's engineering. Remember, if the bat would, the ears are truly the eyes of the night. If you enjoyed learning today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and exciting biology lessons. Keep your curiosity alive, keep exploring nature's wonders, and all. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.